Hi, I'm Michael, your friendly plumber from Crizto, Singapore. Are you still using a squatting pan in your home? And having difficulties standing up after a long squat? We are here to solve your problem. Engage us now to have your existing squatting water closet replaced with new pedestal water closet. Let's get started. The process begins with the removal of the existing squatting pan. Squatting pan being removed. Discharge pipe extended, now giving the toilet a good waterproofing protection. Mission completed. Let's take a look at the before photo. The old squatting pan is attached with a high water volume flushing cistern, and each flush will require 9 liters of water. Now, let's take a look at the after photo. The new toilet bowl only requires 3.5 liters of water for each flush. That's a great saving, isn't it? Crizto, Singapore. Your choice of selection. Pick up your phone and drop us a WhatsApp us at 838-25011. Crizto, your reliable plumber.